Hey everyone, today we'll be discussing on how to calculate your corporate tax payable and corporate tax liability as per the consultation documents that have been released by the Ministry of Finance. Again, keep in mind these are only consultation documents but should give us a fair idea on where the law is headed. Before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our future weekly business and finance related content, which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs, and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. When we go through the calculation, it's pretty clear that the objective is to make it as simple as possible. The reason for this is because the authorities want to reduce the administrative burden on smaller and medium-sized businesses. So how is the corporate tax payable calculated? To start calculating corporate tax payable, we need to first understand what your taxable income is, which we've already discussed in our older videos. But in summary, it's simply the net profit in your financial statements and then adjusting for the following: removing exempt income, adding back non-deductible expenses, and finally adjusting for unrealized gains and losses. We need to remember that in our older videos, we've already discussed that 9% corporate tax needs to be paid on only taxable income that is exceeding 375,000 dirhams. So the calculation from here is fairly simple. That is 9% of any taxable amount above 375,000 dirhams, and then you are allowed to deduct foreign tax credits. Let's discuss this with an example. Let's assume you have a taxable income of 1 million dirhams and a foreign tax credit of 6,250 dirhams. So your corporate tax liability would be 1 million minus 375,000 dirhams multiplied by 9%, which then turns out to be 56,250 dirhams. And your corporate tax payable would then be 56,250 minus 6,250 dirhams, which is your foreign tax credit, and turns out to be 50,000 dirhams. If the taxable income was below 375,000 dirhams, then the corporate tax liability and the corporate tax payable would be zero. From this, we can see that the calculation is fairly simple. However, we do have to keep in mind that there could be complicated transactions in multiple businesses in the UAE. So there could be complications that may arise. However, the simplicity in the calculation should make it easier for smaller and medium-sized businesses to arrive at what the corporate tax payable is. Hope from this video you got a better idea on how this calculation is done. We've now reached the end of our discussion. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next one.